Yo, we're in the clouds. Hola, ¿cómo estáis? So we had a journey. We had some stops because I went to visit some countries. We went to Iceland. Then we stayed in Barcelona for like 2 nights or something. And now we are in Santorini. Yeah, you can't say Santorini. Santorini Greece. Let's give you a quick room tour. Boom, got the bathroom. You know, it's like I love Santorini. It's like a cave kind of feel. You know, got something in my mouth. By the way, it's like 4 a.m. in the morning. So yeah. Boom, got the, you know, the little sign over here. Got my little suitcase or whatever. Wait, pause. We gotta go back. Boom, you see, you know, blah, blah, blah. Now, we're getting to the real deal. I don't know why I have so much energy at 4 a.m. in the morning, but yeah. This is what you call Santorini. That's Sherry, you know, Sherry in the cut. Yeah, we got our own pool. Like, this place is gorgeous. Oh, that just scared me. Got cabanas. I was gonna record in the morning for y'all, but I was like, you know what? Let me show you how it is. Right now, this vlog is probably gonna be lengthy. Now, let me tell y'all a little something. It's crazy because laws of attraction, let me go into like, laws of attraction is so true. Like, I dreamed to go to Greece, especially after I graduated. And, you know, like, I've always said, like, I want to go to Greece. Yeah, I just came back from Punta Cana like a couple days ago. But Greece has been my dream, like, a dream spot. So we're finally here. And I'm going to catch y'all in the morning. Because your girl's tired. She done went to Iceland, Barca, and just got to Santorini. So, yeah. We got breakfast at 8 a.m. It was 8 to 10:30, so I'm probably gonna wake up at 9 or just stay up. So yeah. Peace. It's steaming hot. Yashu, I'm learning Greek. Yes, Yashu means hi to one person's, but Yashush is whatever. Today's day tres, and yesterday we went to, there's like a strip, not that type of strip, it was like, you know, a strip of like stores and restaurants right outside of our resort thingy. And right now we're at the black sand beach. It's actually pretty dope because, yeah, the sand is literally black and it's really relaxing. The dogs be wilding out here. Like, the dogs be wilding. Sorry, guys. Hi. And Sherry's right here. Today we're gonna do something very interesting. We're going to the Sunset Oaya. I'm probably saying this so wrong, but we're going to Sunset Oaya, and it's like, you didn't go to Santorini if you didn't come here, basically. Like, it's like going to Paris without going to the Eiffel Tower. So yeah, sorry. So we're about to get that started, and yeah, right now we just chilling with my baby. We're chilling. So yeah, we'll see you at Sunset Oaya. Hola. So today was depressing because the Sunset Oaya got canceled. Now, it was canceled because they said it was expected to rain. And may I ask, where was the rain? But I mean, I can't be mad at them because it's dependent on the weather. It's not really their fault. So they rescheduled for tomorrow, and it's supposed to rain tomorrow. But I mean, regardless, we'll find something to do. It's actually funny because I forgot what I was gonna say. But anyways, Sherry, oops, like Sunset Oya, I think I'm pronouncing it right now, OIA, it's like you going to Paris and I'm going to the Eiffel. Like, did you go to Paris? Like, you know what I'm saying? So, but and also, the vlogs, I haven't been really into it. Like, the vlogs been indoors because every time I step out, this is the first time I actually forget about my camera, like, and I don't know why. Like, so yeah, tomorrow when we go to the Sunset Oya, I'm definitely going to remember to bring my camera. So yeah, you guys are gonna see footage like outside in Greece. Good morning. Well, good afternoon. So yesterday, I told you guys that plans were canceled because they said it was gonna rain, but it didn't even rain. So we're doing the sunset oi today. Just got ready. I chose to wear yellow because I love yellow on brown, dark skin anyway. And on top of that, I was just like, it's all white, and yellow's the perfect fit. I don't know, like. Comment down below if you guys do the same thing. Like whenever you travel, you guys actually pick and choose what you're gonna wear. Cause I do that all the time. Like if I'm going to a city, I'm more like chic and edgy. If I'm going to the tropics, I'm more colorful, stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog with you guys today. I'm gonna bring my camera with me, and you guys should see the beautiful sunset. I always hear about this, and see what we do for today. So, ciao. Wait.
No? Said you know what he called?
Yo, we're in the clouds. This is our tour guide. Say your name.
Hello, my name is Christos. We are in Santorini.
Santorini. So we're in Santorini, and this view is amazing. Oh my gosh. I literally Sherry was kind of freaking out. Oh, girl. This is amazing. This is the mountain that I've been seeing from the resort. I don't even know. Would you know where our resort is from here? Do you know where our where you picked us up?
Yeah.
Sorry.
I think you that way.
Oh, that way?
Yep. We can see the hotel from that side. Over there is the Costa Grand. It's white. It's a new hotel.
Okay, so we're doing all these views and stuff, and if you guys don't know by now, I love, as in insanely love views. I will go any amount of anything just to see a nice view, and even just look at this right here. We just came out of a mountain. This is the car that we came in. My tour guide, Christos. And we just came out the mountain, and he's taking us to a place for a good view. Bro, I this made life. Lighthouse after this was gonna be really it's kind of crazy. Right by the cliff. And I should have seen, I should have recorded it. There was this bus coming, and the roads were so slippery here, so we're going up the mountain, a steep mountain, and he kept driving. And when the bus was coming, he kept driving. He's like, don't worry. I'm like, okay. Wow. Beauty is her name. Oh, I didn't get close here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we went, Sherry went to the see the sunset thing. She did a little hike, but I didn't because I was like, I don't want to get dirty and all that. But we're out of breath. We're in Perivolos and Parisia. We walked through the Black Beach right here, and see the incredible view of the mountain right here. Why is my thing not going? So right now we're about to go to the lighthouse and watch the sunset, so that should be fun. There's the lighthouse. Here's the people, and the sunset's right here. just got back from all the sightseeing that we did. I came in the room and they have this here, this wine glasses. They said, sorry for the inconvenience you have encountered. Please don't hesitate to call us if you need any assistance whatsoever. We wish you an enjoyable and memorable stay. Now, the Wi-Fi wasn't working yesterday, so it caused a lot of inconvenience because whatever. But I'm gonna close the vlog out here. I'm staying a couple days in Greece. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I kind of forgot to vlog a lot, but my apologies for that. But yeah, definitely visit Santorini. Oh, is this still recording? Okay, sorry. Definitely visit Santorini. And going to Barcelona tomorrow. And yeah, I'm gonna close out the vlog here because I don't know, I want to put my camera away. So see you guys in the next one. Peace.